From now on, I want to work outside Lightroom, but I have to have the images by hand, and so I have to export the images out of Lightroom to work in InDesign or Affinity Publisher, for example. And in this video, I will show how I would export my images. So here is my travel collection, and I want to export these 14 images. And for this, I select all of them, go to the export dialog, and here inside the export dialog, I would start by creating a new folder, exported for, or just for photo book, like so, on the desktop or wherever you want to save it. Then you have the option on how you want to work with the images. Do you want to have the maximum quality? Then just go with a TIFF. Do you want the okay file size? Then go with JPEG. Here you can go with 100% quality, and on the color space you can go with sRGB or Adobe RGB. In my case, I would say sRGB is totally fine. I don't want to resize my images. I don't want to sharpen the images because I want to be flexible inside the software on how I want to work with the images and how to create them. For the resolution, you can choose to rewrite the information of the DPI inside the header of the JPEG, because then when you insert them inside Lightroom, inside InDesign, then they will be inserted in the right size, or a more writer size, let's say it in this way, and the metadata is totally fine. And now I can export these images, and all these 14 images get exported out of Lightroom and will come here to this folder. And here you see that's all of the images. The export is now ready, and I have these 14 images to work with inside InDesign or Affinity Publisher.